Hey there! Welcome to our Sticky Add to Cart setup tutorial. In today's video, we'll show you the exact steps to set up the amazing Sticky Add to Cart bar using our powerful app, Sticky Add to Cart Booster Pro. Once you've got the app installed, let's dive right in. Head on over to the Widgets section in your store's admin panel. Look for the Sticky Add to Cart bar option and give it a click. Don't forget to enable the feature to bring it to life on your store's front end. Now, take a quick break to check out your store's front end and see the magic in action. You'll be thrilled to see the Sticky Add to Cart bar adding that extra touch of convenience for your shoppers. Alright, now let's make it unique. Customize the bar to match your store's personality by exploring the various options available. Play around with the appearance and functionality to create an experience that truly resonates with your customers. Feeling happy with your customization? Great! Don't forget to hit that save button. This will ensure that all your hard work is preserved and ready to be unleashed upon the world. Back to the dashboard we go. Spot the master switch and turn it on. This is the key step to make sure the Sticky Add to Cart bar is active throughout your entire store. Seamless shopping awaits your customers. Now it's time to make it live. Head back to the dashboard one more time and find the live mode option. Turning it on will unleash the full power of the Sticky Add to Cart bar, ready to assist your customers in making those hassle-free purchases. Woohoo! You did it! Give yourself a pat on the back for successfully setting up the Sticky Add to Cart bar using our amazing Sticky Add to Cart Booster Pro app. Your online store is now armed with an enhanced user experience and a powerful conversion booster. Thank you so much for joining us on this tutorial journey. We're here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our awesome support team. Happy selling and enjoy the boost.